The following segment contains sponsored content. The opinions and views expressed belong to its sponsors and not those of Nexstar Media Incorporated, this station, or their affiliates or employees.
And I'm loving living local. I'm living local 'cause it's where I love to be.
Welcome back to Loving Living Local. I'm Gretchen Wirtz, and today we're getting healthy once again with Solvera Health. And joining us is Nicole Brooks, the Director of Nursing. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Now, you guys have been around about a little over a year now, and you've been there the whole time.
I have.
Tell us what's happened in this last year.
We have grown very, very quickly,
Yeah.
and it's very exciting. We have 3 locations, and we've been able to do that in under a year. So we're in Peoria, Galesburg, and Carbondale, and we have a great team around us that has helped make that happen. So it's very exciting.
That is, it's been a lot of growth real quickly, which is great. Your big thing here, and we've talked about this before, comprehensive primary care. Tell us what that is and why that is so important to have that.
It's different because we're really just trying to put our primary care providers back in the center of the team, and we want them to be the quarterback who's really giving direction for everything else that's going on. You know, they can collaborate with pharmacy, they can collaborate with physical therapy. We have a lot of specialty services as well. You know, we can be a team around our specialty services like audiology, urology, women's health, and now addiction medicine too.
Okay. And the key is it's all right there in one spot.
One spot, you know, you can get your labs drawn, you can see your primary care provider, your specialty provider, pick up your drugs on the way out at the pharmacy and be on your way.
Yeah, that's huge convenience and much easier for people and for families these days. How is Solvera addressing some of the common frustrations that maybe patients have in healthcare today?
There's a lot of frustrations. You know, the system is not easy to navigate. You know, sometimes people try to navigate for themselves and for loved ones, and sometimes just the simple things of answering the phone, getting back to them super quickly.
Talking to a person.
Yes, and then getting them in that same day or the very next day is part of it. The other thing is my team can help with referrals, you know. You need referred to something we don't happen to have in-house, we will help you the whole way. You know, we'll do the whole thing for you, or we can help along the way and just really coordinate that from beginning to start.
And we've talked about too, hospitality. I mean, that it is a that's what that's what you guys have. That's what what makes you so different.
Yes.
How has that been connecting with patients on that level?
Oh, patients love it.
Yeah.
You know, it has a different feel to it in all of the best ways, but the patient satisfaction surveys are showing that we're making an impact because we're typically rating 9.5 out of 10. So.
Wow, that's amazing. And patients they're more forthcoming. They're more honest when people are a little bit more personable towards them too. You know, when you see sometimes at a doctor at an office, you have a quick appointment. You know, you're afraid to ask questions or talk because you don't want to lose any time. You know. Yeah. When it's a much more open and comfortable feeling like that, patients can be more honest and forthcoming, which makes obviously the diagnosis simpler. You know, makes the whole process easier.
Yeah, and I think just having everything right there too, they know and feel that we're really trying to help them and anything that they have going on. And then when we coordinate all of those services outside of Solvera as well, we really do become an integral part of what they're dealing with. And I think that concept just allows them to let us in a little bit more so that we can make that big impact for the patients.
And you're still taking families, elderly, everybody is.
Yeah, we have a peds room, you know, so the little babies all the way up to the seniors and Medicare and everything in between for family care and specialty.
And you help with that Medicare stuff too.
We do. We have some great consultants on too that can not only help, you know, the nursing aspect or the provider aspect, but we have consultants that can help with the Medicare cost and insurance as well, which is pretty amazing.
Yeah, that's amazing. All right, well, Nicole, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you guys for what you guys are doing over there. You can go to solverahealth.com for more information. Of course, call them at 855-476-5837. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
All right, more coming up. Keep it right here.
I'm living local 'cause it's where I love to be.
The preceding segment contains sponsored content. The opinions and views expressed belong to its sponsors and not those of Nexstar Media Incorporated, this station, or their affiliates or employees.